It's Laura Eubanks of Design for Serenity, and it's your grand reveal in Temecula. We got rained out last week. This was to be a 5-day project, and we made it through 4 days. And this whole area you see before you was underwater with the rain, so we had to wait for it to dry out a bit. So it's been a few days since we've been here, but today we did all of the planting. We've completed all the planting around the waterfall, and we got all of the lights installed. We got this all irrigated with micro drip and got all of our lines buried. Hannah was able to use some of the clients' bricks. She loves these bricks. They're very sentimental. She has collected these over the years. Some of them were her mother's, and they just mean a lot to her. So we did this real fun, whimsical installation with the bricks so that when she sits out here to enjoy the park and the sunset, she has something reminiscent to look at. You can see that we have a crepe myrtle tree here that is already starting to leaf out. Today is the first day of spring and our grandson Griffin's 7th birthday. So happy day. And things are popping. This is another baby crepe myrtle here. So we'll get some shade from the crepe myrtles, but all of the plants that I selected have been hard grown in Escondido to tolerate Temecula temperatures, so we should be fine. You can see along here, we decided to go with Crassula undulatus along the wall, along with a cute little Petalanthus bracteatus, which is also starting to leaf out and throw off its beautiful peach-colored flowers. And then we have our cactus garden. This is a real hot corner in the client's yard. So we found some beautiful specimen cacti from Caesar at Sun Valley. And of course the Yucca rostrata multi-head from Matt Jones at Jones Rare Roots out of Brea. And we did a tapestry under the fig tree, which is starting to leaf out. Used chamois beige and burgundy 3/4 here. This came out so cute. I'm so tickled with this. Many of the features were already built into this landscape. All of the brick edging, you know, we retained the lawn, and the black wrought iron behind this installation I left. I think it's kind of neat and frames it out real nicely. Along the fence line, I didn't do a whole lot. She has roses on each side here that are going to get their legs. And this is a Chinese pistache. So it's going to be in full leaf, along with this cute little apple tree here in the corner. So it has its first little blossoms. Look at that. So yes, I showed admirable restraint, didn't I, guys? One thing that I did do here, this was a lot of real estate right here. Eventually, obviously, the Sparrox is going to get, you know, really big, but in the meantime, it just felt a little empty. So I pulled this little Hypertufa potted Echinopsis. This actually belonged to the client. She had this in a plastic pot, and we potted it up in that cute container, stuck it in there, and then just kind of laid out just a little bit of burgundy to, you know, for cohesion, to kind of tie it all in. So she's got some points of observation. She has chairs set up around the yard where she can look at her garden from different perspectives. We have so many interesting little fun things for her to look at. All the things that she's collected over the years, the bricks, the wood, the stones, the shells, the planters. All the things have been very, very artfully displayed, tidied, repackaged, re-top dressed. She's got some eye candy here, although Greg will be coming home with me. Then her Zen garden, Miguel spent 2 full days tightening this all up for her. Underneath all the Melaleuca trees, she's got this beautiful little Zen meditation area. It's just very cute. So we restaged a lot of her things and just tightened it up for her. So yes, we as I said, spent 5 days on this one. It all came together beautifully. despite the rain, I'm really, really pleased with the turnout and look forward to seeing all of you next time. We will be in Pow Pow Poway. For those of you that remember, it's time for maintenance and another little installation area. This has been Laura of Design for Serenity with your grand reveal in Temecula. Bye, guys.